On a hot day, the sun was shining hot. An ant, parched and exhausted, discovered a spring glinting enticingly in the distance. The ant fought her way up a blade of grass to reach the water but slipped, finding herself into the fast running spring, the world splashing and churning in confusion around her. Suddenly, a leaf floated down from above, a beacon of salvation amidst the chaos. An observant dove, perched high up on a branch, had seen her struggle and tossed down a lifeline. As the ant gratefully climbed onto her lifeline, we see a hunter stealthily approach, poised to ensnare the compassionate dove. Like a tiny hero, the ant rushed in, bit the hunter on his heel, distracting him long enough for the dove to fly to safety. The dove's single act of kindness towards the ant was reciprocated in its time of greatest peril, showing how the ripple effects of compassion can traverse species boundaries, changing the face of fate. Through our actions, we can change